Welcome, Goddess Babes, where nails and stories collide. Join me as we dive into creativity, self-care, and a little bit of mystery. Hit that subscribe button and like the video. Pumpkin Spice and Heart Heist. It was Halloween in the small town of Maplewood, a place famous for its cozy autumn days, pumpkin spiced everything, and the infamous annual Halloween festival. This year, though, the town's beloved tradition was about to take a turn no one could have predicted. Emma Sinclair, a quirky barista and amateur sleuth, had her Halloween all mapped out. Costumes, pumpkin lattes, and maybe a dance or two with her crush, Jack Martin, the quiet, charming librarian who seemed to be more interested in books than people. But when a priceless artifact, the legendary Maplewood ruby, is stolen from the town's historic museum, her plans are derailed. The situation gets even spookier when a mysterious masked figure begins leaving riddles, taunting the town about the whereabouts of the jewel. As Emma and Jack team up to solve the mystery, they find themselves navigating the Halloween festival's bustling crowd, avoiding
suspicious characters and piecing together clues, sometimes too close for comfort. Sparks fly between them, but it's hard to focus on romance when they're also trying to stay one step ahead of the culprit. With a town full of tricks and maybe a few treats, Emma and Jack have to figure out who stole the ruby before the thief strikes again. Or worse. Halloween Festival begins. The town gathers, buzzing with excitement, and Emma and Jack's awkward but warm banter sets the romantic tone. Theft and the first clue. Amid the festivities, the ruby is stolen, and a riddle from the masked figure hints at the thief's identity, mixing mystery and romantic mishaps. As Emma and Jack dive into their amateur investigation, they find themselves in comical situations that deepen their connection. Think of them accidentally locking themselves in a spooky prop room or being mistaken for a costumed couple. True crime twist. Emma discovers a dark secret about the ruby's origins and why some townsfolk would go to any lengths to have it, layering in a thriller element. Heartfelt reveal and confession. In a vulnerable moment, Jack reveals his feelings for Emma, and just as they share a sweet moment, they uncover the final clue. Grand finale. They confront the masked thief in a suspense-filled chase that winds up back at the Halloween festival, where a dramatic unmasking reveals a shocking twist. With each step, Pumpkin Spice and Heart Heist keeps readers on their toes with just the right mix of thrills, laughs, and heart. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's mix of nail tutorials and storytelling, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Whether you're here for budget beauty tips or just to relax with some true crime, romance, or drama, there's always something new coming your way. Drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Until then, take care, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next